We are pleased to show you the 2025 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, navigation system, security system. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.